A young teenager going to a sleepover never thought a game of ring the doorbell and run would land him in the hospital.
It happened on Long Island's North Fork in the tiny hamlet of Laurel. As CBS 2's Jennifer McLogan reports, the birthday party ended in near disaster when a homeowner grabbed a shotgun and started firing.
On beautiful Peconic Bay in the heart of the North Fork, a group of 7 young teens gathered in the hamlet of Laurel for a birthday party sleepover. Amid trampolines and backyard fun, several scattered for a do or dare at a random house nearby, ring the doorbell and run.
We had several kids that were running around the neighborhood, knocking on doors and running away. And one of the residents felt that somebody was trying to get into the house, felt threatened, felt frightened, and woke up the male occupant of the house, who went to the back door and discharged a shotgun. It
was 9 p.m. Thursday. Here are the gunshot holes at the door of 64-year-old James Mosier, who fired the shotgun at the boys, striking a 15-year-old, apparently believing they were intruders, not pranksters. We spoke to Mosier after he posted $20,000 cash bail.
What can you say, sir?
Nothing.
No comment at all?
The 15-year-old at first was unaware that he had been shot in the upper right arm. The wound was so serious, the child had to be airlifted to the hospital, where he remains under observation. Neighbors in this bucolic community are grateful it wasn't much worse.
As a message there saying that it was a shooting around here, right away I got all scared.
There's probably a lot to uncover and to know here. I think we just feel for everybody involved.
According to the felony complaint, Mosier was charged with assault, recklessly injuring a child under 18 by discharge of a firearm. He will be back in Southold Town Justice Court April 27th. On the North Fork, Jennifer McLogan, CBS 2 News.
And the parents of the teen who hosted the party said they have no comment at this point. The injured boy is expected to make a full recovery.